Today, we're looking at cordless freedom, and that comes in the shape of Einhell's GECM 1830 lawnmower. Let's check out what we've got inside. And we're starting with the lawnmower itself, which comes fitted with a brushless motor that makes taking care of your garden easier and quicker than ever before. Now the mower doesn't come fully assembled, so first let's fit the long handlebars. Einhell really couldn't have made it any easier for their users, and all you've got to do is fit the bars into the screws on either side of the back of the mower and then secure them in place. Then we do pretty much the same to attach the black handlebar to these long ones. Fit a screw on either side of the top of the grey bars, secure them in place, and you're all set. Now let's get on to the trickier part, assembling the catch box. First, try to align the two parts as much as possible. Then, carefully and one by one, go around each little hook on the red part of the catch box and fit them into the slots on the black part. Now, it can be a bit tricky to get this on the first go, so you might have to be a little patient. Lastly, you've only got the handle left to attach, and then your catch box is ready to be fitted onto the mower. To do this, simply lift the cover on the back of the mower and slot the catch box in place. Now, before we go test it out, we've got one last thing to do, fitting the battery in. To do this, all you've got to do is lift the front cover and slot the battery in. But because Einhell takes safety seriously, there's one more step involved, fitting the safety plug. Without this little key, your lawnmower won't start, so make sure you've inserted it properly above the battery slot. To get the mower started, hold the power button, pull the lever towards you, and then release the button. From there on, you're all set to go. Lightweight, practical, and best of all, cordless thanks to Einhell's Power Exchange, this lawnmower is going to make looking after your garden a real pleasure, free from the stress of tripping or running over your own cables. With Einhell, where one battery powers over 250 different tools, you have the power to go fully cordless.